everyone, welcome back. This is episode 4. This one is highlighting Trask and Saddlemen. You've seen the seat previously in the other videos because it looks so much better and it's easier to look at the bike with that seat on it. We got a custom seat from them. We got the rollback with the stitched Texas Hills logo on that. Also, we're doing a 2-in-1 from Trask. It comes in a polish now that they offer in-house. We're also putting on the Trask air cleaner that also comes in chrome. Both are very straight to the point, good looking parts. I've always liked the exhaust. I really like the heat shield. Just looks good and clean.
Welcome to Teddy Morse's Cowboy Harley Davidson of Austin. Today we are doing week 4 of the bike build. So today we're going to be putting on a Trask exhaust and air cleaner. We're going to be putting on a Saddlemen backrest. And I think that's it. Nate's going to get after it. So he's going to start removing the air cleaner first.
Yeah, looks great. It cleaned the bike up a lot. It took off all that heavy looking stuff and made the bike look sleek and fast, shiny, more shiny, shiniest, shinier than all. Yeah, it looks awesome.
So our saddlebags are on, our exhaust system is on, our air cleaner is on. We installed the rear docking hardware for the holdfast Sissy bar. That's a Harley Sissy bar with a Saddlemen backrest pad with a tuck and roll that matches the front part of the seat. We also put on the rider backrest, tuck and roll matches the front part of the seat. So now Nate is going to fire it up and we're going to hear what this exhaust system sounds like. All of his fingerprints are off of the header and off of the muffler. Sounds good. That sounds good.
What's good? So this is the end of episode 4. We got the air cleaner and exhaust on, both cleaned up the bike a lot, made it look a lot more sleek. But I wanted to talk about the seat. Justin from Saddlemen hooked us up. He gave us the backrest and also the rider backrest. I like having the option to have different backrests so that when you're on a trip, you could switch it up and give your body different pressure points and ways of sitting because long rides test your body. This thing will be on and off a lot. I will probably only run it when I'm going on long trips, but it's cool to have the option. I'm excited to try it out on a long trip. I'm going to be riding this thing to Born Free and probably Big Bend over the next couple months, so they'll definitely get put to use. I'm excited to try out the roll top. I've never had this seat before. I usually run the San Diego custom seat, so I'm excited to give this a go and see how I like it. But yeah, everything's coming along. It's crazy that we only have 2 episodes left. The bike sounds not stock anymore, which is very cool. The air cleaner's really cool. Yeah, it looks like a real bike now. A bike I want to be on. A bike to be proud of. One of the cool things about the seat is everything's quick detached, so I could switch up the whole different look of the bike and just how I want to be riding. Quick detach, this pops out. You put this in your saddlebag, keep it for when you're getting restless and want to switch it up a little bit. But yeah, I like that it's different. It's not what usually is ran by everyone. I'm really excited to try it out on a long ride. Hopefully I like it. I'm sure I will. Red stitching. Cool.
Teddy Morse's Cowboy Harley Davidson in Austin, Texas. We got Nate and we got Brian. Y'all have a good day and we will see y'all on week 5. And we will be doing suspension. So we're going to be doing a Fox rear shock, which is going to raise the back end of this bike up. We're also going to be doing Lindell wheels on this at one of the week builds. So we look forward to all of that. Keep on checking in and we will finish this build in a few weeks. Thanks, guys.